Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, again, we're not actually going to do UI. This is another unexpected topic. But I just figured out how to make a Discord bot and wanted to share it with you guys because I spent a while trying to make it and it just never worked. So, today we're actually going to be using Qbot because it has a lot of things installed in it already. So I'm going to show you how to find that, and then I'm going to show you how to customize it. What? Oh, okay. So, Qbot. Search. Yes, so here, if you search Qbot in the dev forum, it should be the first thing that pops up. And so, what it does, it's basically the thing it's supposed to be for is ranking people in your group. I use it mainly as just like a base, although I do like the group shout feature. But what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to set it up. And this is an unofficial guide, by the way. I did not create this. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and I'm also going to show you how to add commands to it. So, what we are going to do is how to get it. There should be it's the written setup tutorial for glitch. In there is what you're going to click, but I'm not using glitch. So, you need a REPL.it account. I have one here. It's my Discord name. And I have mine. Mine sends like music links, and all of them are just things in my iCloud library. But, so what you're going to do is you're going to create the REPL you're going to want to use. Let me put me up there. So, what we need to do is click... Actually, let's just create a new one while we're at it. So, this should be the home screen you see. And you're going to click the plus icon right there. Now, the language is going to be Node.js, I believe. That's what it is, right? Yes. And you're going to have to name it. So I'm just going to name it testbot. And I'm going to create the REPL. So now, once it's been created, it should take you there. And we need, of course, this is just a blank thing. What we need to do is we need to download Qbot. So, what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and we're going to go all the way down to command palette. And then we're going to search open shell. And now, what we download is what I believe it does. I forgot what we type in. We type in https://github.com/yogurt SYUM. I don't know how to pronounce that. /qbot.git. And I've just copied it, and I'm going to paste it. No such file or directory. Hold on, I might have done something wrong. Oh, it needs to start with a git clone. So, yeah, that link, but then start it with git clone. And then it clones into it. And we can just delete the original index.js, I believe. Well, I mean, it doesn't do anything. So we're fine. Then what we're going to do is, I believe we ungroup Qbot. How do I Okay, I have not set this up twice yet. Oh, so we're going to move them out of the folder Qbot with this command. Let's go back here. mv dot mv space slash Qbot space slash. Seriously, what is going on here? Oh, do we have to go into the Qbot folder? I think we might have to select. Oh, I am selecting it. Maybe if I close it. Oh, they have been moved. Oh, okay. So everything's been moved, and now we don't need any of this. Let's delete the folder Qbot. Sorry about that. And now we have a bunch of these things. There's acknowledgements. There's a license. License, I don't believe you actually need. Like, it's just the MIT license, which means you can use it. But thank you to this man here for making it. Okay, so there is a way. This is the way to get started in the README, but we already have that link open. So now we've deleted the folder. Now we're going to start editing the .env file. I believe it's in commands. I gotta move my face again. Where is .env? Oh, I think we have to create a new env file. Isn't that what it was? You gotta add a file. Okay. So let's go back to your bot, and let's click in this little icon there, and we're just gonna title it .env. And now we don't actually need. I'm not going to use Qbot for what it was really designed for, so we only need the token, prefix, and group ID. Yeah, so what we need to write is token equals prefix equals and group ID. Is that what it was? No, D's not capitalized. Group ID equals, because I believe that's how you shout it. Actually, let's not even do a group shout. Let's just make it super simple. Let's do token and prefix. So the token, this is how we're going to get the token. We need to actually create a Discord bot. So I forgot what the link was. So discord.com/developers/applications is where you're going to want to go. This is showing like the ID I already have. I'm going to click back to applications. So we have applications. You're going to click new application and name. I'm just going to call it test bot. Create. So what you can do is you can add an icon, and you can rename it, you can add a description, but then we're going to actually have to build a bot. So you're going to click add bot. I don't really want to do this, but you would click add bot and click yes. Can I just delete you? There's no delete. But what you would do is you would click bot, and you would click, I'm not going to reveal my token because anyone can do anything, but you can click copy with under token, and then you're going to fill out the token field. I am, again, not going to fill out the token field because people could, of course, do it. People could, of course, take my token. Then the prefix, mine's going to be, I believe you have to do it like that. But let's see. Okay, so that is all the information we need. Why? Oh, was it because my face is there? I cannot close that tab. Okay. So. Token prefix. I believe you just do. I'm not going to open my env file. Prefix equals exclamation mark. I believe I just have to do that. Or is it quote, exclamation mark, quote. No. It's just exclamation mark. So then, now we can add commands. So we have all of these commands. Help is the one I really want to keep. And let's go through. I don't really understand all of it, but let's just show what it does. So this is going to run when they send the message. I don't know how they make it do this, but what it does is it takes the prefix and then it ends up, it takes the title of your thing here, and then if you, so not .js, but just help, if you typed exclamation point help, exclamation mark help, it would end up running that command. Same thing for fire and deny join. It does not work if you do capitals and spaces for some reason. I can't figure out why. I can actually, the reason I quit Discord is because I have notifications popping up. But if I turn myself on Do Not Disturb, then I'll open it back up and I'll show you what the bot does. But what we're doing here, I'll also show you how to add help commands. So then the color, this is a color. I don't actually know what type of color this is, but it ends up being like a purpley thing. The description, once Discord opens, I will show you what the description does. But then this is getting the prefix. But if you know what your prefix is, you can actually just remove that and start the quotes. Okay, it's opening now. So that's my bot. I will also show you how to make him DM you. This is my server. I'm gonna be, it's kind of a studio I'm running thing. But let me go into bot commands and just use it for its rightful. But I could type exclamation point help, and he sends, or it sends all of the commands that are here. So it ends up, the beginning here, this is, it almost does it like, do you see how it's, I don't want to open you yet. Do you see how it's like pre-formatted? It pre-formats it, and then it does /n and then quote, or no, and then it does / and then quote, and then it gives a description of it. So then, to add another one, all you would do is you would go before that comma, you need that comma, and then you are going to type plus, and then quote, / quote, nope, quote, you need I think it's a / nope, / quote, and then I'm just going to type, so typing words is going to, and let's just click enter so I can go up, and now I'm going to do exclamation point. I actually haven't added this yet, and then it's going to go / quote, nope, I said / quote. I only want one. And then I would go like this. Right, is this correct? Or am I supposed to be using, okay, you're not actually going to be using quotes. You are going to be using, these are the Lua chat. Like if you're on the dev forum and you're typing Lua, it's 3 of these things. On a Mac, they're right below escape. No, I don't want to open Discord. It's in. Losing track of it. So you're going to type those, and then like that. And that's fixing that. So then I'm just going to do gives a list of playable songs. And then after that, all we have to do is type that back quote, and it's done. I don't know why that's returning an error. Yeah. But anyways, I'm sure it's fine. Because it does the same thing. It does the same thing here, right? 1, 2, 3. And then... yeah, it'll be fine. Okay. So, That's how to add it. Now let's work on creating our own command. So like I said, the help, it goes !help. That's how it works. So if we add a file, let's do the command name. Mine, I'm just going to do play.js or JavaScript, I believe. And that is how you get it to, that's how you get it to recognize play. And what I do, because I don't really want to type all the code myself, is I just copy and paste it and then change values. And so you could change all of these different texts. Mine actually does something cool, where if I do !play, it gives me a list of playable songs. And it'll, if I did !panic, it sends me a link to Panic at the Disco's YouTube channel. And I can also, I'm going to show you how to do this one too. Song request at me, and then you would type what song you want. Song requested. What? So that would be the song that's requested, and it'll send you a DM telling you what to request. So now that is what I'm going to show you how to do here. I'm just going to copy the code and kind of go through. But let me show you how to get it. So in the Qbot, it shows a support server link, and that's gonna be where you want to go. You're gonna want to join that. Oh, is that actually oh, join the server today. That's what you're gonna want to click. It should be titled Lengo's Discord. And then you're going to go into the plugins section and scroll up to the DM command. And then you're going to click on the link. And where should I move me? I can only move me so far. And dm.js is what the code is. So what you're going to want to do is just double click on it. And then you can copy all of this code, copy it. No, that copies the entire page's text, so scroll all the way up and copy. Then you want your command name. It doesn't just have to be DM. So let's add a file. Mine was song request for a song to be added to the database, and then .js. Then paste it, and you're set. You could also, you can add like successfully requested song. So that would be what it types. Now, with the bot token, you can also invite it into your server. So I might have to go back to the portal. Discord. Yep, this should be the one. So you go into bot, I believe, and scroll down, and now give it some permissions. Oh, where was it? There was a way to invite your bot. What? I believe it tells you in setup. Okay. So you're going to go into general information, and that's not there. Oh, you're going to want to go to OAuth 2 and click bot. And now click copy. So after bot, you should see a link. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it into a new tab, And this will ask you to invite it into a server. To be able to add it into a server, you will need, hold on, where is it? Here. And this is it. Server settings. So you're going to need at least one role with the permission manage server. That's just how you need to invite it. No, that's, never mind. Forget I just said that. Just realizing that's dumb. You need to have manage server permissions. So you would give yourself a role that has those permissions. So after it's been invited, we could click run, and it would run and be a bot as long as you've put the token in. But I'm not giving you that. So then, yeah, you would click run. So that's not going to stay up for very long. Now there is a way to keep it up. You might have heard of Uptime Robot. In that, you can add a monitor to keep it up. These ones that are down are my 3 failed attempts. But you're going to click add a new monitor, and the monitor type is going to be HTTPS. The friendly name, you could give it, you just call it bot monitor. Now, I've seen multiple tutorials on trying to make this because I wanted to make it but didn't know how. So this link here is what you're going to type in. People have said it's projectname.username, and I always get it wrong. So you're just after the // copy everything there. I think. Yeah, copy everything there. And then paste it there. I think it actually might. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Sometimes it might say .run. You're going to say .co. Yeah, so like that. And you can actually keep that hyphen. And then you would click create monitor, and then you would click run, and your bot will be running. And then you can continue to add commands and make them do things. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's it for this tutorial. So I don't need this bot. That one's not helpful. This one, every time you want to update it to do something, you have to do stop and then run it again. You can update it while it's running. You just have to remember to click stop and then run again. Well, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, let me think. We got everything. Again, I will say I have that course coming out in November where you're going to learn everything about UI, scripting, graphics, and a lot about creating a portfolio. So that'll be coming out in November. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reply or comment and let me know. If you want to see all of the scripting videos I've done, you can click somewhere. It doesn't actually let you click on my face. Now it will. If you want to subscribe, click on my face. If you want to see all the scripting videos, click here. If you want to see UI videos, click here. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.